Ever wondered how a simple touch can spark a cascade of healing within the body? The power of touch is monumental, playing a crucial role in human interaction and harboring potential healing effects. Massage and physical therapy are key in promoting health and wellness. Now let's delve into the science behind the healing power of touch. Have you thought about what happens when a masseuse kneads your tight muscles? Well, let's break it down. As the masseuse applies pressure, your blood circulation increases, rushing oxygen-rich blood to your tired muscles. This helps to ease tension and promotes relaxation. But there's more. As your body unwinds, it also releases endorphins, nature's own feel-good chemicals. These little heroes help to reduce pain, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. That's how a massage can transform your stress into a soothing sensation. Physical therapy might seem like simple exercises, but there's much more to it. Delving into the science, it's about the strategic application of movements to restore muscle function and improve mobility. It's fascinating how a physical therapist can design a personalized therapy plan taking into account an individual's unique needs and capabilities. They use their expertise to bring about an enhancement in the quality of life. Physical therapy, hence, is not just about exercises, it's a science that brings mobility back to life. So what does all this mean for you? In essence, the scientific grounding of massage and physical therapy underscores their power to alleviate pain, enhance flexibility, and bolster overall well-being. The next time you receive a massage or undergo physical therapy, remember, it's not just touch, it's a science that heals.